Happy Monday, everyone. It's Mariah with Second Chance Credit Repair. We're located here in Natchez, Mississippi at 300 Franklin Street, Suite K, helping individuals in our local and surrounding communities repair their credit. If you're in need of credit repair, phone me at 601 431 8838. We're able to assist individuals with derogatory items impacting their credit. It could be medical collections, non medical, some student loans that are in collections, liens, judgments, some child support cases. If you're interested, please follow me at 601 431 8838. Thanks and have a blessed day.